Before the Canon, we had HP latex printers, and the issues that we were having with those was the fact that the colour was inconsistent throughout tiles, and we were also seeing tiles weren't lining up the way they should. Since we've got the Canon Colorado 1650, those issues have been completely cured. So what we were seeing here at Iconic is a growth in our sort of large format print side of the business. And we had 2 HP Latex 360s. The workload was too much for this type of machine, and we were seeing print faults and job issues that we really needed to get on top of. So we brought the Canon Colorado 1650 in the first quarter of this year. We had made the decision that we needed to get rid of 2 of our older machines and replace it with a new machine. Now, we were a bit apprehensive about bringing in 1 machine to replace 2, but the Canon's more than proved itself in that department. Things I'm really impressed with the Canon Colorado is its colour versatility, given that it's only a 4-colour machine, and yet we're all amazed at how much it can achieve throughout those 4 colours. The matte and gloss mode is just absolutely incredible, the way that it works. It sort of baffles me how something can turn out matte and then with one click of a button it comes out in gloss. And not only this, the speed to keep that quality and maintain it at some of the high speeds that we're seeing now, which are in some instances more than double what we were previously printing at. We bought the Canon Colorado through CMYUK. Obviously, it's no secret that they're one of the biggest print suppliers in the UK. The after service, shall we say, since the installation of the Canon has been absolutely faultless. Not only this, they work hand in hand with Canon, and likewise, Canon have been absolutely amazing. I feel very, very confident in saying that I can see certainly a second unit come along very, very soon.